In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Shopify manually. We'll walk through this process together from start to finish so you can confidently point a domain you already own to your Shopify store. To begin, make sure you can log in to both your Shopify admin and your domain provider account. Having both open in separate tabs will make switching between them quicker and help you avoid typos. Inside your Shopify admin, head to Settings, then select Domains. This is where Shopify manages all domain connections for your store. Look for the option that says Connect Existing Domain and click it. Shopify will prompt you for the domain you want to use. Now switch to your domain provider's dashboard and navigate to the section where your domains are listed, often labeled Domains, then Manage. Find the domain you want to connect and copy it exactly as it appears. You typically want the root domain, like example.com, without HTTP or HTTPS. If your provider shows a separate www version, don't worry. Shopify will guide you on how that should be handled. Go back to Shopify, paste your domain into the field, and click Next. Shopify will display setup instructions tailored to your domain. This is where the technical part comes in, but it's straightforward. Most third-party domains connect by updating DNS records at your provider. Typically, you'll set the A record for your root domain to Shopify's IP address and the CNAME record for www to point to Shopify's host. If you already have A or CNAME records pointing somewhere else, remove or update those so there's no conflict. Save your changes before leaving the page. If your provider uses a different interface, look for options like DNS, Zone Editor, or Advanced DNS. Name server changes are usually not required for Shopify. Editing the DNS records at your current provider is the standard approach. Once your DNS is updated, return to Shopify and follow the on-screen prompts to verify the connection. DNS propagation can take a little time, often just a few minutes, but in some cases up to 48 hours. During this period, you might see a pending or verifying status. That's normal. When everything is set correctly and has propagated, the domain status in Shopify will change to connected. Shopify will also provision an SSL certificate automatically, so your site loads securely once the connection finalizes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.